Friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to convert columns into the rows. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. So firstly select the column which you want to convert. So for example, I want to convert this data of this column into the rows. So firstly select the data. So after this press Ctrl and C to copy this data. So after this select the cells where you want to copy this data. So after this select the right side of mouse and then you can see paste special option, so just click on it, and then you can see transpose option, so just click on it. After this click on OK. So you can see this column is changed into the rows. So guys, in this way you can convert columns into the rows. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.